Hi everyone, welcome to my intermediate Asuro playlist. This playlist is slightly more advanced than the beginner course which we went through. If you are new to the Asuro, I highly suggest going through and watching this playlist where it covers a lot of the beginner basics of using the Asuro and eventually leads to the Asuro following the line. In this playlist we're going to be improving on that and we're going to be going into a bit more advanced features of the Asuro. If you aren't comfortable with the C programming language, I highly recommend watching a C programming tutorial. Link will be in the description for that. In this series of tutorials, what we'll do is we'll be cleaning up the Asuro code and we'll be getting the Asuro robot to do some really cool and creative things. We'll discuss things like returning back to the line once it's lost the line, and using counters and all sorts of other cool parts of the C programming language. So just a reminder as well that all of the code will be available on my GitHub. It's at Adefuwa/Asuro-public. So link to that is in the description as well. So you don't need to actually type out the code. You can just come to my GitHub and copy it. If you haven't already used the beginner playlist, you can go and find a beginner folder on GitHub and all the code will be on there. Cool. So if you're ready, let's get started.